if you're watching, it's pretty early. We're in the Silverado. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm just about to fuel it up, and then we're gonna go and get Ricky Bobby, and once we've done that, we'll explain to you what we're doing this weekend. This is gonna take a little while to fill up. I had to pay first because it's quite early, so hopefully we'll fill it up with what I guess would pay him. Okay, we are full to the brim with fuel. We've got Ricky Bobby, and we've just met up with Stan. Bobby's just put loads of his stuff in Stan's car, and Stan was now sending Stan through the drive-through.
Should we show him how?
Because the turbo wing won't fit through the drive-through. So get on with that, Stan. Then we're gonna hit the road, and then I haven't actually told anyone what we're doing.
What are we doing?
We'll do that on the way.
Drag racing!
We're on our way now. It turns out that the Silverado is not very fast. We're doing, well, we can slow down a bit now, but we do about 3,500 revs. I would guess it's 65 mile an hour. But do you want to tell them where we're going, Bobby? What we're doing?
Today, we've got Ollie and Evelina, and we're going to Diggerland. Are we going to Diggerland?
We're not going to Diggerland.
Alright, we're not going to Diggerland. We're going to Santa Pod Drag Racing. Why are we going drag racing, Chow?
Well, we were just going for a social, but we've now been asked if we can help out on a team, and the car is a Nostalgia Nitro Funny Car, so that's pretty cool. And it's also now like a Dennis Priddle tribute car. It was a Chi-Town Hustler, but now it's got a different body on. So we'll put in some clips there of it doing like burnout or something. And that's what me and Bobby are going to be doing. We're going to be crewing on that and drinking thatch.
Yeah, we're gonna break someone else's car.
Break someone else's car. Yeah. So hopefully, first run we'll put all 8 rods out, and then we'll get on the bank and have a thatch.
And a thatch.
Stop doing 50. Stop running some fucking rubberneckers and some bloody lookers, am I?
Found some cows.
Them cows be nitro cows.
We must be at Yandles.
Them cows are gonna blow up.
Pulling up to Santa Pod. Oh, I don't really know how else to say that. There it is. We'll get on in, and then we'll try and get in and find the car, find the pit, see if we can remember our way around.
keen now. Alright.
Alright, we done a first run, didn't go too well, the burnout was good, and then we just had a little oil leak, so we stripped the car down, got all the supercharger and everything off there, so we stripped the top end down, all the heads are off, we had a little bit of oil in the headers, so we're just looking into that, got the slugs, all the pistons out there, so we're going to check the rings, and then put it all back together and try and do another run this afternoon. Have you enjoyed it so far, Ricky?
Got me sniffing rag.
Sniffing rag.
Got some
Like your
nitro on
snub. We got Star down here, used to crew for Priddle's car. Owner driver. Wife, owner driver.
Mrs. Owner driver?
Mrs. Owner driver. And yeah, we're all having a relaxed time. Just going up the steps was painful.
Look, the hips are on order. I'm too young, apparently.
Don't laugh.
Might not get you out of there again, good job the fuck it's not on fire, isn't it?
I tell you what, it's surprising how fast you can move when it's on fire.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Clutch pedal over here. Can you get up there?
Yeah, he's a bit snuggly. He is a bit snuggly.
Can't tell by the way I would walk. Shit, my face is no time to talk. I fucking out and it was funny. I'm standing there, but my butt feels funny.
Alright then, so we got the car all back together. As you can see, it's pretty dark. We're trying to put the tent up. We've got the Silverado to light it all up. And Ricky Bobby's over here getting the cow cooker going with what can only be described as a really terrible coat from the film Drive. So once he's got this all lit, we're gonna go back over here somewhere to Huxley Motorsport, because he's pitted just over there, and we're going to take the cow cooker over with us, and we're going to have some steak once we've got the tent all fixed, aren't we? We just got back from our run, full pass. Well, let off about just past 1,000 foot because it leaned out. We run a 6.9 at 170 something. That was course. We're going to get it in now and see maybe if we're going to strip it down. Don't know if he wants to go for another run or not. Hopefully, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Now we've got to do some
good.
work.
All's good.
All's good. He's happy. Team's happy. Considering we only met each other yesterday, I'd say to run a 6.9 is pretty good. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Good day. Good result.
Planning, Ricky. What's the plan?
We were going out again because there's not enough track time.
Yeah.
We're just gonna leak it down, check the rocker gear, maybe check a bearing, just defluid it and send her home.
So look at that plug. See you top. Cool. Same battery, isn't it? Thank you.
Yeah, I think it's just a seal plug. Rear main gone, isn't it? Rear main's still gone.
A little bit out of it.
What's the grinder for, Charles?
That was for when we CNC machined the headers, because they were just keeping the rocket cover off slightly, but that's one of the oil leak issues we had, so we just used this Milwaukee CNC machine.
One of them manual CNC.
I tell you something else. It been damn 20 years since I've seen any nitro. Nice. Good time.
So we get the rest of this stuff then.
Yeah, alright.
So the weekend's pretty much over. Paul was happy with what he done, wasn't he? Considering we didn't actually know any of them before. Wrapped up.
In one piece, well,
In one piece, yeah. We've done a leak down test. It wants a few rings, doesn't it, on the front cylinders?
Yeah, probably want some bores checking, maybe want a liner and some rings, but one piece, no windows in the block, sorry. No oil downs. No, we had oil leaks, we didn't do no oil downs.
All we got to do now is finish loading up all our shit and go.
What did we run again? Well, you must have that on film.
Yeah, we done a 690 at
690.
170 something? 170?
Yeah.
Lifting at the top end.
Yeah.
Lifting at the top end, so. Sunday, we've had a cider.
It was a weekend with Charles and Ricky Bobby.
That's nitro.
Had some nitro, spur of the moment. Body. So we'll drop the body back on. And
There's also, this is also a body.
Not a very nice one. How does it sit? Nice?
nice, mate.
Yeah. Like it's yours?
Yeah, I'll have.
Yeah.
I'll have it.
Yeah.
I'll have it.
Put it in the back of the Rado.
Cool. Right, let's get the Silverado loaded up and we'll check in. Make sure you like and subscribe, follow the page, lots of other stuff, always random things like this, not something we do all the time. Thanks for watching, I guess.